If you're looking for the functionality of a solid stationary shaper and the convenience of a removable router table, look no further than the Grizzly G0528 router table. The heavy-duty cast iron table with T-slot channels can accept practically any brand of portable router from 3/4 to 5 horsepower. Mounting your router is as simple as tilting the table 45 degrees where it securely locks for easy installation. Another great feature is the independently adjustable extruded aluminum in-feed and out-feed fences for precise alignment during edge joining operations. Precise stile and rail joinery is a breeze using the adjustable miter gauge and hold down. Simply lock down your workpiece with the built-in clamp and glide through the cut with the lightweight aluminum sliding table for superior control. Chip removal is a must when routing detailed profiles, and the G0528 features a built-in dust hood with a 2.5-inch dust port to keep your work area clean and safe. Apply even pressure to your workpiece as it passes through the cutter with the built-in pressure bars. We've also included a large front-mounted paddle safety switch designed to work directly with your router for easy, safe operation. Take your routing to the next level with the G0528 router table, available at grizzly.com.